Good morning. We are starting to look into automobile insurance and coverages because you will need this in the not too distant future. When you are 15, you can take driver's ed and start driving. So you need to know a little bit about your insurance and insurance coverages. If you will go to Google Classroom for this assignment, you will type in "Get to know the basics of auto insurance travelers." And when you do that, you should come up to you can come here to types of car insurance, and we can click that. And under types of insurance, you will find the various types that you can have. There's liability, comprehensive, collision, personal, uninsured, underinsured, medical payments. You can read about these. I want you to answer on the next page or on the attached page that has the questions. You're going to have to read this and write in your own words what these cover. Please do not use copy and paste. You'll notice that deductibles and limits are here as well. Your assignment search, you're going to start learning the basics about automobile insurance. If you really get into it, at the bottom of this they have things like renter's insurance and other items that we'll be getting to in class. Is this right here. What you're going to do is you're going to answer the questions. It talks about the main coverages in an auto policy, which is what we just looked at. You need to also give a brief description of what that insurance covers. Remember, insurance covers risk, whenever there's a risk of losing money. I asked, what is a deductible? That was also on that same page. You will do 2 more searches for this assignment, and the first one is, what should I do if I'm in an automobile accident? Most young people are involved in at least one accident, hopefully minor, but you should go to Google and type in, what should I do if I'm in a car accident, and put travelers at the end. Travelers has some really good information that you can find. The last question you're going to answer is, what information do I need to file a claim? So you're going to search, what information do I need to file an auto claim report or auto accident report, and put travelers at the end. I like using their site because they come up with some good information. So you're just going to do a